Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about CRAP targets updates with my customer Crusade, and this is just a brand new ticker for the Maple Finance token. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Few moments for the new users. This is how the MPL USD ticker looks like because of the Maple Finance on the market since April 2021, and I want to show you just a few interesting moments. Now it's a CRAP, and Maple MPL has recently rebranded to CRAP and migrated from their old contract to the new one. And you can double check the all announcement, all information on Twitter. So highly recommend you go and double check. But the few interesting moments, take a look. Now the price on CRAP is 24 cents and total supply. What is good? If we compare with many other tokens which listed now recently on the Binance, on all of these centralized exchanges, FDV and market cap almost equal. It's good. Finally, some token with a healthy market cap and FDV and 90% tokens in circular supply. So to hit $1, it's more than real. So 1 billion market cap, it's more than real. So it's good. Plus, it's in the Grayscale Research top 20. Maybe nothing, but it's good. So take a look at the Maple Finance. Previously, it was only a 10 million supply. And that's why the price was totally different one. After that, they rebrand the token. Of course, they migrate the token basically one-to-one, but not one-to-one. I mean, you not lose the money in dollars equivalent, right? But take a look, 10 million, right? And then they add the circular supply because they rebranded it to the new contract, and now it's 1 billion. That's why you can be confused when you check the chart of Maple Finance and start thinking, oh, definitely the CRAP have to go to $60 again, like MPL. But you have to know now it's a bigger circular supply too. So 60 billion market cap, I'm not sure about it. So CRAP, it's listed. So take a look, CRAP USDT. This is how the chart looks like now on the KuCoin. It looks like a brand new token, right? So here, since November 2024, right? And this is how it looks like on the max. This one, November 2024, November 25. And now the CRAP on the Binance, right? So take a look there. If we check on the max, for example, on the daily here, this was November 25, but on the KuCoin, on USD trading pair, it's listed in November 13. So this is basically November 11. They rebrand the token, change the ticker, and allow the new contract. And after the 2 days, the Kraken firstly listed this token here. So we not use the initiation accumulation pump model because it's just rebranded token, and this is how the chart looks like. So firstly, yes, people migrated token, seller pressure in 2024 because it was a downtrend for the alts. I can see here just a range. So for me personally, just a range with a deviation at the bottom. The next step is going to be the deviation at the top. For me, it looks like this one, and this is a range here. Fair value gap like this one. Extended line, right here. And this was for me personally, it looks like personally for me, like deviation at the bottom. So let's mark like this one. And if it's a real deviation at the bottom, and we pass it, the bottom here in April 2025, right? The next step is going to be here, deviation at the top over than 39 cents. And after 100% profit, guys, you should here at equilibrium, equilibrium 165, you should fix a profit. If you want to accumulate now, because we test the equilibrium, the deviation will be around 64% profit, right? So it's more than real to see the deviation at the top. And for example, if now it's like 1 billion tokens in the market, 400 million or 500 million market cap is more than real to see 50 cents. So that's the point, guys. I highly recommend you go and double check the page, of the CRAP. I'm not a fan of fundamental, so basically for me it doesn't matter because the charts never lie. So fundamental for Ohm, the greatest example, the greatest example of Ohm mantra. It was a great fundamental project. Yes, it's pumped, but it's pumped by market makers, not because of people invest in it. And this stock can pump from 2 cents to $9, and after that, just in the eye blink, dump it from $7 just in 1 week, from $7, dump it to 30 cents. Does the fundamental of Ohm change it? No. That's why. No matter what's fundamental behind, we trade speculative coins. That's why, guys, now it's a range. Just personally for me, it looks like one big range. Would be good to see there some like impulse, consolidation, impulse, form, deviation at the top, and after that, a drop to 24, 25 cents and maybe 20 cents and continue rally higher to the new all-time high, 1 billion market cap, maybe even higher for this run. Now it's just a range, nothing special, guys. We test and try hold the line at equilibrium. If we check on the monthly, it's hard to say. There is no gaps, nothing. So it would be good to see the summer green one for the tokens. Weekly time frame, now this one only gap. It's between 11 cents and technically 14. Should we drop lower? It's possible, yeah, we'll form the double bottom. Yes, more than real. So monthly open, yearly open is here. So 15 cents is yearly open. We already trade long-term period. Here's a rejection at the yearly open. Rejection, bounce, go higher. To test yearly open again, maybe. So mark the level. So 15 cents and even the fulfill of weekly gap, 11. If you believe in a syrup token, it's comfortable price for accumulation. If you want to take a risk now, you can accumulate even now for the spot with the targets, 62% profit on the spot, deviation at the top. That's the point, guys. So pretty simple. For me, everything what is over. Now, basically, we are in the premium zone. So if you watch the premium discount zone, now we're in the premium zone on the weekly. Let's double check with my customer SAR. This is Aphria. This is Aphria and not a time for accumulation. Daily, this is what's a disbelief. Here, capitulation, accumulation here, accumulation, here's the distribution. We can form divergence to the top to 50 cents, even form divergence on ADZ, drop, and after that, correction is summer. This is a Aphria. Daily one, it's not a time to accumulate. But potential, guys, Take a look, the money power. Here, money inflow, money outflow, money outflow. So now it's no money inflow into this token. So be careful. Also, here's the money outflow. Some whales, fix a profit, big amount. Take a look, the last indicator straight on. Weekly no data, daily. Buy signal was in January 25. We formed the deviation, pump, take profit, sell. And I wish to see one more. Sell, like something like this one. This summer, maybe even May, something like this one. 3 drives pattern, 1, 2, 3, correction to 25. If you think it's going to be not a big deal, it's going to be minus 50%. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Be really careful with this token. And of course, it's just my personal opinion, right? I believe if it's not some scam or pump and dump token, if the BTC and when the BTC dominance will be under 50%, yes, I truly believe we can hit the $1, 1 billion market cap, more than we'll to see. Take profit, guys. Indicator, we trade way over exit line. So here was a test, perfect test of the buy line. Let's remove the deviation. Here's a low, test the buy line. This is how you can track and how you can work by yourself with this set. Test the buy line, bounce. From the buy line, we pump it to the top 284%. I repeat again, at equilibrium or even at take profit line, you could fix and withdraw initial deposit. Now we trade way over exit line. Usually it's not based on risk rewards, it's not a good entry. if we talk about a speculation. A buy line on 12 time frame, now it's 10 cents at 39. All lines are dynamic. So we will see. So guys, all targets, local ones. So we now work only with this block, nothing. We can't predict the how high we can pump. We can't. Nobody knows, guys. Now we work with this zone. When we sweep this high, form deviation, retest maybe the equilibrium. After that, we can try to understand the logic and the uptrend movement for this token. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.